Today, a new clue suggests that Nvidia is working on a new RTX 40 GPU. What will it be? Let's find out. Good morning and welcome to Tech Interceptor. First of all, remember to subscribe to the channel, activate the notification bell to stay up to date on upcoming videos, and if you want, take a look at our Twitter and Instagram profiles. Right now, the upcoming Nvidia GeForce RTX 40 GPU lineup will include 5 graphic cards, the flagship RTX 4090, 4080, 4070 and the RTX 4060. But now, a new SKU as a prior. According to what was reported by leak, the new GPU will codename PG141 SKU 331, and it should base on a full AD104 GPU, more precisely on its new variant AD102-300, and it should feature 7680 CUDA core, 12GB of GDDR6X memory operating at 21GB per second, 192-bit of memory bus, and a TDP of 400 watts. Comparing to the specification of our RTX 40 GPU at our disposal, we understand immediately that this is too far from the RTX 4090, which should have the full AD102-300 GPU with 128 Streaming Multiprocessors, 16,384 CUDA core, 24GB of GDDR6X memory operating at 21GB per second, 384-bit of memory bus, 1TB per second of memory bandwidth, and a TDP of 450 watts. At the same time, it is too powerful to stay in the same range of the RTX 4060 that should have the AD104-310 GPU with 36 Streaming Multiprocessors, 4680 CUDA core, 8GB of GDDR6 of memory, 128-bit of memory bus, and 432GB per second of memory bandwidth. However, it is more real that we will find it between the RTX 4080 and the RTX 4070, because the RTX 4080 model should have the AD103-300 GPU with 84 Streaming Multiprocessor, 10,230 CUDA core, 16GB of GDDR6 memory operating at 18GB per second, 226-bit of memory bus and 672GB per second of memory bandwidth, and a TDP of 420 watts. While the RTX 4070 model should feature the AD104 GPU with AD104-275 variant with 60 Streaming Multiprocessor, 7168 CUDA core, 10GB of GDDR6 memory operating at 18GB per second, 160-bit of memory bus, 432GB per second of memory bandwidth, with a TDP of 300 watts. So yeah, this is the right place, one step higher than the RTX 4070. Will it be called RTX 4070 Ti? Maybe, very probable. Currently, on paper, with this specification, this new GeForce RTX 4070 Ti model should approach or even equal the same performance of RTX 3090 Ti, but above all, with 50 watts less of TDP. About it, comparing to the RTX 4070, at the expense of higher specifications including 512 CUDA core more, additional 2GB of memory and 42-bit of memory bandwidth added, there is a not indifferent jump of 100 watts of TDP. Although there is no known release of this new card, instead we know the release window of already mentioned Nvidia RTX 40 graphic cards. The RTX 4090, 4080 and the 4070 GPU will be launched on Q4 2022, start a month apart each. The release period of a high-range RTX 4090 is set for October 2022. Follow the RTX 4080 and the 4070 graphic cards for November 2022 and December 2022 respectively. Lastly, the RTX 4060 will launch on Q1 2023, presumably during the CES 2023 on January. Well, that's all for today. Waiting new updates. As always, let me know what do you think in the comments below. If you find this video helpful, leave a like, share it with your friend, and don't forget to subscribe. Huge thanks for watching, see you again next time.